Hi everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about 2's complement addition of signed binary number. So you are very familiar with what is signed binary number, how to represent the signed binary number because we'll always one bit extra. That bit is called as the most significant bit that indicates whether it is a positive number or negative number. Now we are going to perform 2's complement subtraction. Okay, so how will you perform 2's complement subtraction? Take the 2's complement of the subtractant and add it to the minuend or whatever it may be with the pronunciation. The meaning is A minus B. Actually, two number, I am subtracting it. So this is called as min end. Okay, this is called as min end. This is called as, this is B, so this is called as subtractand. Okay, this is called as what? Subtractand. Fine. So if the subtract, take the complement of the subtractand and add it to the min end, including the signed bits. Those signed bit is also be included here and discard carry. Fine. But if both the min end and subtractand are negative number, convert them into a 2's complement and perform addition. So this is like as like your subtraction. So if A, okay, so what they are trying to say, if A is also a negative number and B is also a negative number, so convert it into a 2's complement form. Okay, both the numbers converted into a 2's complement form. Convert them into a 2's complement and perform addition. So the what they are trying to say, actual the meaning is what? If A minus B, but B is a negative number, so A minus of minus B, again it will become a positive one. So A B. So you know the addition process already. The thing is, in everywhere we have to discard the carry. So let us take with an example, then you will understand it better. The first example which I am going to take is 35 and then 16. Actually, the meaning is A equal to 35 and B equal to 16. The meaning is A minus B. How will you represent 35? So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 30, 31. But I need 35. So I will go for 2 power 5. Here you will get 32. I need 35. So 35 will be, rewrite it as 32 plus 2 plus 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So the how many bits? 6 bits are needed, but I have to include 1 bit because this is a signed number. So positive number. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Fine. 35. Now B is 16, but I am going to subtract A minus B. So what I will do it as, I will rewrite it as A add of minus B. Can you understand? The subtractant as a negative, but I am performing add. So that is the first point. See, take the 2's complement of subtractant and add it to the minuend. Okay, so that is what. So actual B is 16, but here A plus of minus B, so B is equal to minus 16. So how will you represent 16? So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 5 bits are enough, but the first 35 is here represented as 7 bits. So the thing is, we have to, the plus 16 will be included as 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. But I need minus 16. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. I will add LSB as 1 because 1's complement plus 1. Okay. So 10, again 10, again 10, 1 plus 1, 10, and 1, 1, 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the actual meaning is A is 35, B is 16. But A minus b, I will rewrite it as a plus of minus b. I will consider my subtract end as a negative number. Okay, fine. Now 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 10 and I will ignore the carry. So this rule is fit on to the addition also. If the first number is positive and the second number is negative, okay, you will check which one is the maximum number. Obviously here all my MSB are 0, so it is a positive number. The actual answer is 19. Now you can map it, because this is not in the representation of 2's complement. Because why it is not in the representation of 2's complement? Because my MSB are 0. So obviously it is a positive answer. Positive answer will not be written in the 2's complement. So check the rules of addition. Okay, so 1 0 0 1 1. So 1 0 0 1 1 means this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So 16 0 0, sorry, 8 4 2 1. So 3 position, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 16 19. So positive number is addition. So you know A is 35, B is 16. Actually we have to perform subtraction, but I am not doing subtraction. I am taking the subtracted number as a negative. So that's why A plus of minus B. We'll solve one more example. So this is also A minus B, but my A value is minus 3, B value is minus 7. The meaning is, so A value minus 3. So the thing is here minus 3 minus of minus 7. I will get minus 3 plus 7. Your answer is plus 4. Got it? This minus of minus become plus. So A equal to minus 3. So you know the maximum representation of 3 is 1 1, because 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so 0 0, or else you can write it as 3 will be written it as 0 1, and minus 3 will be rewrite it as like 1 0 0, and 1 will be added. So the answer is 1 0 1. So 3 bits are enough. This will represent the negative number. And my B is minus 7, but minus of minus 7 it will become plus 7. So what is the representation of plus? So plus will be 7 will be represented as 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 1 1. So this is 7 1 1 1. Since it is a binary signed number, I have add one more 0. So 4 bits is used to represent plus 7, and here I will add one more 1, because this is a negative number. I will always add MSB to the MSB as a 1. Okay, so or else first you will convert the number 7. So minus 3 minus of minus 7, it will become minus 3 plus 7. So I will again perform addition. So 1 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, and 1 plus 1 10, and you have to ignore the carry. So my most significant bit is what? 0. So it is the positive number. So the answer is 4. So the answer is plus 4. So obviously minus 3 minus of minus 7, it will become 4. So if you take another example, okay, if you take another example, what example means? Very see, I have to perform a subtraction. What they are trying to do was, see, I have to take another example to satisfy the second condition. What I am doing it now, my A is minus 3, but B is 3. I want to perform A minus B. So the meaning, sorry, my B is 7. Okay, my B is 7. Okay, I want to perform A minus B. So minus 3 minus 7, answer is minus 10. So this will falls under the second rule. So here this is minus, so how I will rewrite it as A minus B as A plus of minus B. Actually my B is 7, A is minus 3. So minus 3 plus of minus 7. So how I will write it as minus 3 minus 7. Take the 2's complement. You know 3 will be represented as 0 1 1. 7 will be represented as 1 1 1, but I will include signed bit. So this is plus 7, this is plus 3, but I need actually minus 3. Okay, So my minus 3 means 1 1 0 0 and add 1 1 1 0 1. So I will take it as 1 1 0 1 and 7 will be rewritten as 1 0 0 and add 1 1 0 0 1. So be careful with the 2's complement. So 1 0 0 1 1 plus 1 10 and here 1 here 1 1 plus 1 10. So here this will get ignored, and if you satisfies the second condition, like if this is an also a subtractant, this is also a subtractant, we will add it, we have added it, okay, but actually the value is minus 3 7. So minus 3 subtracted with minus 7. So you know how to represent 10. What is 10? So the 10 will be represented as 1 0 1 0. So 1's complement, so this is plus 10. What about minus 10? So 0 1 0 1. So like you will add 1. So here you will get 1. So 0 1 1 0. So the 0 1 1 0, you will get the answer this as a minus 10, because that is the what to say, like your representation. But after that, whatever bits, that will be call it as 1 1 1. Sir, you will say the most significant bit is 0, means it is a positive number. No, that to represent 10 we have 4 number of bits. So that is what the fifth bit is actually a carry. The carry is 1. If we put that here, it will become 1. Okay, so to check the maximum number of bits, so that's why everything will be represented as 8-bit. Okay, everything will be represented as 8-bit notation. So because of the, so to represent plus 7, maximum we need 4-bit. Okay, then 10 means maximum 4-bit, including my sign, sorry, 1010 is 10, including my fifth bit with represent sign. So here 4 bits only there. What is the fifth bit? This carry will propagate. So obviously the fifth bit will be 1. Yes, be careful. So minus 3 actually subtracted with minus 7, you will get minus 10. To normally 10 will be represented as 1010. But if it is a signed number, I will put one more 0. This is plus 10. And obviously minus 10 will be 10101 and 1 will be added 10110. So this is used to represent sign, and this is the representation of 10. So that is what I am get here, that carry will be actually carry will be discarded, but the thing is here here we should not discard it. That is what, like, so we have to perform that addition. So because if we need represent the fifth bit, you can perform it. Okay, so or else excuse me, or else you can perform minus 3 minus 4, you will get minus 7. Okay, so this is what the subtraction of two numbers. You can work out with more example. So 35 minus 16, here minus 3 minus of minus, it will become plus 4. So that's why here see the 7 is represented 4-bit. Actually 7 will be represented in 3-bit. I am adding 4th bit, and we have to ignore that carry. Got it? We have to ignore that. And this is minus 3 minus 7, but what I have taken is minus 3 plus 7. So you will get it as minus 10. That time you have to include the fifth bit. So it depends on the answer. 10 is represented as 4-bit. So if it is a signed number, actually you have to take 5. You have to consider 5 bits. Here 4 will be represented in 3 bits. Okay, 100. So that's why the 4th bit will be considered as a signed number. Rest of the bits we have to omit it. That is what we are taking it as a carry. Okay, I hope you will understand my video. If you understand my video, please click the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell button, and then only you will receive the future notifications. Okay, thank you all.